Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to share with you an all-new Hot Wheels set. This is regarding the all-new Hot Wheels City, in which this here is the all-new Cobra Crush. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. Alright, so this here is the Cobra Crush playset, in which you can actually see that it looks really crazy with the snake. You can actually drive up on the snake, and then, as you said, try me over here, you see it go up and down. So essentially, it's got a really cool idea when you actually jump up onto it. So I'm kind of excited to see how that all works out. So on the back here, it kind of shows you what goes on. It says slam to launch your car. And it says avoid the chomping cobra's jaw and land on the cobra's back to crush him. So a very cool idea. So I'm really excited to see how this all plays out. This here again is the Hot Wheels City over here. So we'll go ahead and open this up next and just go ahead and open it over here. Alright, so this is everything that it comes with. We have ourselves a instruction manual over here, so I'll open this up. Sweet, check this out. We have ourselves a quick little startup guide. So it says Cobra Crush instructions. You see the Cobra right here trying to grab onto the car. So as soon as it launches, either it gets eaten by the car or you stomp onto the snake itself. And if you stomp on it, you can actually go ahead and ride right down the snake and stomp on them. So pretty cool idea. And then over here shows you how to go ahead and build it and how to go ahead and launch it. So let's go ahead and try this thing out and see what it looks like. Alright, so we're all set and ready to go. I got the ramp ready to go. I got the snake in position. Now this here is our car. It looks almost like an F1 racing car, but it's also very futuristic. Again, got a blue bottom to it as well as white wheels, so very unique. Anyways, let's go ahead and place our car inside now. So what's going to happen is we're going to go ahead and launch the car using the launcher, and the car should go up. If it goes inside the mouth, it'll actually trigger the mouth to shut, so the car will get stuck inside. Or it'll go from the top and it'll actually go underneath here, which will knock down the snake itself. And then once it hits this trigger here, it'll release the car that's in the prison that's actually underneath this. So let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, so for strike, let's try a little bit more power. Oh, he ate it! We just lost our car. Alright, buddy, give me back my car. So let's try this. I'm going to close it, and this will give me a little bit more leverage to go ahead and get up there. So let's try this again. Oh, close. Alright, let's try that again. Ooh, overshot. Alright, one more time. Let's try that. Ready, set, go. Yay! We did it! And we saved both cars. So really cool. So let's go ahead and connect this to our other set and see how it all looks so far. Alright, so this here's our Hot Wheels City so far. So as you can tell, you can always interlink them together. So we have the previous set that we reviewed and the new Cobra attack. And then we still have the Gator Garage attack to review as well as the Spider Park attack. Now the way it works is literally they connect to one another, and let's just go ahead and try this out. So I have my Hot Wheel right here. I'm going to go ahead and place it in the launcher. I'm going to shoot it up the snake and see if it should go through. Oh, we missed it. Let's try that again. And there it goes, and it's knocked down the snake. And then we can go ahead and drive it into the next area, which is the tire shop over here. And then we'll go ahead and rotate this all the way around so it falls down just like that. And then we go ahead and bring it up. And we'll go ahead and work on it a little bit, and we'll put it into the big tire right there, and then press this button here. And it'll shoot the car right out into the next location. So definitely a lot of cool, a lot of fun that you can actually go ahead and expand on it. We even have the turn kicker right over there as well, so you can always even expand it with other different pieces as well. So definitely very unique and a lot of fun. Now if you guys had any particular question regarding the Cobra attack, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.